Creating graphics can be time-consuming and frustrating. You have to worry about matching your brand identity, choosing the right colors and fonts, and making sure everything looks professional. And if you're not a designer, it can be even more challenging. That's where Picnie comes in. With our platform, you can create stunning graphics in minutes. These graphics can be for a variety of purposes, including social media platforms, display ads, banners, certificates, and more. Picnie offers an extensive collection of templates. Whether you require templates for social media platforms, advertisements, banners, or certificates, our selection ensures effortless discovery of the perfect fit for your purpose. You can effortlessly choose a template that suits your vision, personalize it with your brand's distinct colors and fonts, and save it as your own. Image generation couldn't be simpler. All you need to do is input the text, upload the image if required, and generate it. You have the flexibility to download it or utilize the URL wherever you prefer. However, our capabilities extend far beyond individual designs. Picnie is built to produce graphics on a grand scale. With the aid of Google Sheets, you can efficiently prepare your data and execute formulas to generate hundreds of graphics in just minutes. Making it effortless to plan ahead for entire months. But wait, there's more. If you're collaborating with a team, you can invite team members, manage their access, and even manage credit usage limits. Picnie grants you the flexibility to use image URLs wherever you need them, and you can access all your assets via the file manager, making one-click downloads a breeze. Lastly, for those integrating Picnie into existing workflows with tools like Pabbly Connect, Make.com, or Zapier, our webhooks feature streamlines the process. You can automate large-scale graphic creation, saving even more time. But the capabilities of Picnie don't stop there. If you require real-time graphics for ads or website banners with dynamic, up-to-the-minute data, our REST APIs have you covered. Additionally, Picnie offers a suite of powerful tools for image resizing, compressing, and merging at scale. So what are you waiting for? Try Picnie today and see how easy it is to create stunning graphics at scale.